Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome to Beginner English Zone. Today I'm going shopping. Come with me and let's enjoy the day and learn English together. Let's begin. Morning getting ready. I woke up early. The sun was shining. I opened my window and said, beautiful weather. I brushed my teeth. I took a shower. I wore my new green curdy with jeans. I tied my hair in a ponytail. I looked in the mirror. Okay, I smiled. I look good. I made a small shopping list. Daily dress, sandals, earrings, some juice, gift for my friend. Lunch. I picked up my bag and car keys. I was ready to go. Let's go shopping, I said to myself. I got in my car and started driving. I played my favorite songs. The road was not too busy. I felt happy and relaxed. After 20 minutes, I reached the market. I parked my car carefully. I looked around. So many shops, I said. Let's go to the dress shop first. I entered a nice shop. It had many dresses, colorful, stylish, and simple ones too. The shopkeeper smiled and said, "Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you?" I replied, "I want some cotton dresses, something simple for daily wear." He pointed, "That section, ma'am. Turn left." I walked there and saw a pretty yellow dress. I picked it up. "How much is this?" I asked. He said, 400, ma'am. "Do you have size M in this?" He checked and gave me the dress. "Here, ma'am," I asked, "can I try it on?" He said, "Yes, trial room is there." I tried it. It fit well. I liked the color too. I came out and said, "I'll take this one." Then I saw a white and blue kurti. "How much is this?" I asked. "That one is 550, he said. "A little expensive," I smiled. "Do you have anything under 500? "Yes," he said. "This one is 450. It's soft and has nice work." I touched it. "Yes, this is nice. I'll take both." I went to the counter. I paid 850 total and thanked him. "Thank you, ma'am," he said. Next, I walked into a sandal shop. There were many styles, heels, slippers. A salesgirl came and said, "Ma'am, looking for anything special?" "Yes," I said. "I need something simple for daily wear, and one fancy pair." She brought some options. "This one is 500, and this golden one is 800. I tried the golden one. "Wow, so soft," I said. "Is there a discount?" I asked. "Yes," she said. 10% off today. I picked two, one black and one golden. She packed them and said, "Total 1,200. I smiled and paid. "Thanks, these are very nice." Now I was tired and thirsty. I saw a small juice stall and walked there. The juice man said, "Hello, ma'am, fresh juice, what would you like?" I looked at the menu and said, "One sweet lime juice, cold, please." "Sure," he said. He made it fresh and gave it to me. I drank slowly. "Ah, so fresh," I said. I gave him 50s. "Thank," he said. "Have a great day, ma'am." Then I went to a small shop with fancy items. I saw clips, bracelets, binders, keychains. A young girl working there said, "Please see, ma'am, all new stock." I asked, "How much is this silver clip?" She said, 40. "And these earrings?" I asked. 120 for this pair, she replied. I bought one clip and one pair of earrings. She packed it nicely and said, 160 total. I paid and said, "Thank you. These will look good with my new dress." I wanted to buy a gift for my best friend's birthday. I went to a cute little gift shop. There were mugs, frames, soft toys. I asked the man, "Do you have something under 300? "Yes, ma'am," he said. "This teddy bear is 280 and this mug is 250. I picked a white mug with a heart design. "This is perfect," I said. He packed it in a small red box. "Thank you, sir." Before lunch, I stopped at a home decor shop. I saw a small lamp. "How much is this?" I asked. 400's a little high," I said. He replied, "Okay, ma'am, 350 for you." I smiled. "Thank you, I'll take it." I also bought a cushion for 200. He packed both carefully. Now I was really hungry. I found a clean little restaurant. The waiter came and said, "Welcome, ma'am. What would you like?" "One veg biryani and sweet lime juice, please," I said. He smiled and said, "Coming soon, ma'am." While I waited, I checked my shopping bags. So many things: dresses, sandals, earrings, gifts, decor. My food arrived. Looks delicious, I said. I ate slowly, enjoying every bite. Yum! After lunch, I paid and said, "Thank you. Lovely food." Going home, shopping was done. I walked to my car and put all my bags inside. I looked at the sunset and said, "What a beautiful day." I turned on some music and drove home, feeling happy and relaxed. At home, I sat on my bed and opened my bags. Everything looked so nice. I made a cup of tea. I sat on the sofa and said, "Perfect day, thank God." So my dear friends, that was my shopping day. Thank you for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned many English sentences today. You learned how to ask for price, how to say your size, how to order juice or food, how to buy gifts and home items, how to talk to people politely in English. This is Beginner English Zone, and I'm your friend Farhana. I'll meet you next time with another real story in simple English for you. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye. Love you all.